and I guess that this video could be interesting to anyone who may decide to study in the US one day. So let's meet my student Sasha.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so could you just say some words about your plans?
I always dreamed about going to US to study in the university, and my teacher, Anna Andreevna, helped me pursue my dream.
No, maybe I think it's too much. I would say that they really helped you to pursue your dream because your English was already outstanding when you came here. So, what do you have to do if you want to study in America?
You have to take the SAT, and if you're a transfer student, you have to also take the TOEFL exam.
What is SAT?
SAT is an exam that you have to take for the American universities that ask you not only for English but also for math.
So, and have you ever tried this exam?
Yes, I have.
When did it happen?
It happened May 7th. It was very difficult, very little time, but the key is to be calm and not worry and just think about your work.
And how long is the exam?
About 4 hours.
So, maybe let's talk a bit more about the parts the exam involve.
Okay.
So, first part is
the reading section. You get 4 texts that you have to read and answer questions about them.
And what would you say? What do you need to know to answer the questions?
You have to fully understand the text, and maybe you have to read between the lines, so you don't have to read the text fully because you don't have a lot of time. So you just have to find the key phrases and then answer the questions.
And can you say that if you know vocabulary, it's 100% success?
Yes, if you have a very good vocabulary, then you're going to be successful.
Okay, so, and when are you going to know the results?
After a month and a half, in the middle of June.
Okay, so that's reading section. What else?
The next section is the writing section. It's not exactly you write something, you also get text in which you have to change the words or put in some question marks or something, other marks.
So punctuation.
Punctuation.
And maybe syntax.
Yes.
Syntax structure. This is this is a part. And the hardest part, the one that was hardest for us.
For me, it was the reading part. The essay.
Essay, yeah. So how is it different from the way we do writing in Russia?
It's different because in that essay they don't ask for your opinion. You're supposed to write about what special tools does the author use to make the reader agree with his argument.
So we had a certain frame, a certain key phrases.
Yes.
So not that hard.
Yes, you just have to know all the key phrases.
Yeah, and you
I learned them by heart. Yes,
this is what you did. Okay, where did you pass SAT? Here in Moscow.
I went to the Anglo-American School of Moscow, but there's also 4 other places in Moscow where you can take the exam.
But basically you prepared for this exam yourself. You did a lot of practice.
Yes, website khanacademy.org. Yes.
Yeah, and there you even can find some videos explaining how to do. Okay, I see. So what would you like to study in America?
I would like to study biology.
Okay, I see. So here in Moscow we are trying to get ready for such exams. And good luck to Sasha. So soon we'll find out.
Yes.
We'll find out the result. And TOEFL is ahead,
yes,
right?
TOEFL is ahead.
So what about TOEFL? Where? Not in Moscow.
Not in Moscow, but there's lots of places. I'm not sure where.
Yeah, maybe in the US.
Yes.
In the US. Okay. So hope that was interesting and useful. Bye.
Bye.